The Columbia Shuswap Invasive Species Society, or CSISS, in partnership with BC Parks and Shearing environmental consultants, coordinated the restoration project at Blanket Creek Provincial Park. Located within the traditional territories of the Sinayaks, Tanaha, Secwepemc and Syilx. The park has important conservation values for kokanee spawning habitat and winter ungulate range. Unfortunately, historical disturbance from a gravel pit in one area of the park created ideal conditions for invasive plants to become established, competing with native species for light, water and resources. 2 sites within the park are identified for focused planting and reseeding of native species. It is hoped that by planting a diverse range of local plant species, the invasive plants will be displaced. The planting and seeding for the project began in the fall of 2020 with the help of local Revelstoke Protect Our Winters volunteers. This spring, we saw the restored areas come alive. This summer, the CSISS team watered both the seeded and planted areas, with frequent watering occurring during the heatwave and drought period. Despite our best efforts, there was some die-off in August. This fall, the restored area was increased. With a tremendous collaborative effort, over 8 days, 441 trees and shrubs were planted, 100 cottonwood stakes installed, and the seeded area was expanded. On the 2nd and 3rd of October, CSISS, with the expertise of Shearing consultants and BC Parks, led a weekend of restorative work. We were honoured to have Indigenous knowledge keeper from the Shuswap Indian band, Mike Archie, blessing the area and generously sharing time, stories and songs with us. Fueled by coffee, sweet treats and lunches, over the weekend, a team of 40 dedicated volunteers, many participating in the See Revelstoke Thanksgiving Back campaign, installed 350 native trees and shrubs. To ensure the best success of the project, survivorship of the plants, and to increase biodiversity, volunteers worked hard to give each plant extra care. It is hoped restoration of natural vegetation will contribute to improving freshwater management, climate resilience, and enhance local biodiversity and habitat within the park. This project was made possible by the Environment and Climate Change Canada Eco Action Grant, the Habitat Conservation Trust Foundation, and the BC Parks Park Enhancement Fund. We'd like to extend a warm thank you to our funders, partners, volunteers, and the CSISS team.